Welcome to another game of Ben's Home Baseball League. We've got Season 9, Game 17. We've got the Nevada Lions at the Birmingham Pistols. Nevada's 3-5, Birmingham's 5-3. Birmingham leading the league 5-3 after 8 games. Connecticut and Memphis right behind them at 4-4, and Nevada at 3-5. Nevada wins this game. It's going to be pretty tight. So enjoy the game, and thanks for watching. Let's get under the lights. So top of the first, we've got Matt Miller pitching for the Pistols. For Nevada, we got Jefferson, Knoblauch, and Bartlett to start. Here we go. Jefferson, fly out to left field. Knoblauch, that's one down. Knoblauch with a 6. He goes ground ball to first. 2 down. Bartlett. 10. That's going to be double. So Bartlett gets on base with a 2-out double. Cleanup hitter Albert Bell next. 9. Fly out to right. So 3 down. Go to the bottom of the first. Still scoreless. Pitching for Nevada, Kevin Brown. Tavarez, Kranchicki, and Cano for your Birmingham Pistols. Gone. Leadoff home run by Tavarez. Good start by the Pistols. 1-0. Kranchicki. 1 down. Robinson Cano. 11, that's going to be a double. So Cano with a 1-out double. Ronnie Gant, OG from Season 1. 5, fly out to right. Runners advance. So 2 out. Ken Caminetti. 2 out, man on third. 11, double. In comes Cano. 2-out art double. Brings in a run. Got Jorge Posada up next. And that's a fly out to right. But some damage done by the Pistols in the in the bottom of the first. We go top second. Birmingham 2, Nevada nothing. Hoyles, Van Slyke, Burnitz for the Lions. Hoyles. Fly out to right, 1 down. Van Slyke. It's a double. So Van Slyke gets on the base pass. Got Burnitz. So 1 down, man on second. That is going to be ground ball to third. Lead runner out. So 2 down for Ordonez. 6, that's an out. Ground ball to third. So no damage done by the Lions. 2-0 Pistols. We go to the bottom of the second. Bichette, McNabb, and Gutierrez. Dante Bichette. Single. Leadoff single by Bichette for the Pistols. Buck McNabb. Ground ball to third. 1 down. Tony's Gutierrez. Ground ball to short. Here's Tavarez, who homered. Leadoff homered in the first. Oh, I think we got a triple there. Yeah, 2-out triple. Tavarez. His second RBI, 2 for 2 home run and a triple. 2 RBIs, 3-0 Pistols. Kranchicki up next, 2 outs. Tavarez on third. And he's out. Fly out to right. So after 2, it's 3-0 Pistols as we go to the top of the third. Ramirez, Jefferson, Knoblauch. Ramirez. #12 triple. So Ramirez with a leadoff triple. Reggie Jefferson. It's a big spot. Can't really pinch hit for Jefferson yet. Doesn't matter. Triple. Woo! Back-to-back triples. So Jefferson with an RBI triple. 3-1. Miller needs some strikeouts here. Not going to get it. Ground ball to second. Runners advance. So that's a RBI for Knoblauch. On to Bartlett. 3-2. Two down. Albert Bell. Single. Single by Bell. Chris Hoyles. Miller needs to get out of this inning. And he does. It's a fly out to right field. But damage done. Nevada gets 2. 3-2 Pistols. Bottom third. Robbie Cano up. Fly out to right. 1 down. Ron Gant. Fly out to right. 2 down. Caminetti. Ground ball to short. 1, 2, 3. Quick inning for Birmingham. Top 4 we go. It's 3-2 Pistols. Vance like Burnitz and Ordonez for the Lions. Ground ball to first. 1 down. Burnitz. That's going to be gone. Home run for Jeremy Burnitz. Three to 3. Ray Ordonez. Walked it. Miller struggling a little bit here. It's only 1 down. We have a home run and a walk. On to Ramirez. 6. That's 2 down. Reggie Jefferson. Ground ball to third. Okay. 3-3 going into the bottom of the third. Birmingham needs a spark here. Posada up. 1 down. Dante Bichette. 2 down. Buck McNabb. Struck him out. 1, 2, 3 again. First strikeout of the game for Brown. We go to the top of the 5th. We got Knoblauch, Bartlett, and Bell. Gone. Chuck Knoblauch with the leadoff home run. Jason Bartlett. 4-3 Lions. First lead of the game. 1 down. Bell. 2 down. Hoyles. 3 down. Okay, another run for the Lions. We go bottom 5. Gutierrez, Tavarez, Krenchiki. It's a single. Tony's Gutierrez with a leadoff single. His first hit of the day. Jesus Tavarez. Gone. All right. Tavarez with his second homer of the day. Fourth RBI. Wow. What a game by Tavarez so far. Birmingham takes back the lead. 5-4. Krenchiki. One down. Cano. Struck him out. Second strikeout by Brown. Ron Gant. 2 down. Three. Okay. So we go to the top of the 6th. It's 5-4 Birmingham. Miller's been a little shaky, so we're going to get up some bullpen help here. Let's see, who do we want? We want Brandon Webb up in the pen, as well as Matt Anderson. So, top 6. Got Van Slyke, Burnitz, Ordonez. 5-4 Pistols. Back and forth game. I like it. Struck him out. Miller's first strikeout of the game. 1 down. Jeremy Burnitz. 2 down. Ordonez. And 9 would be fly out to right. Okay. On to the bottom of the 6th. Caminetti, Posada, Bichette. Caminetti. Struck out. Brown's third strikeout of the day. 1 down. Here's Posada. Ground ball to second. He's out. 2 down. Bichette. Fly out to right. Okay, top of the 7th. We're going to leave Miller in, but if there's some trouble, we will take him out pretty quick, I think. Ramirez, Jefferson, Knoblauch. Here's Ramirez. He's out. Ground ball to third. Jefferson. Fly out to right. 2 down. Knoblauch. Three down. Okay. Looks like we lost some power here, so sorry I lost the light, but we're going to press on here. We're just going to keep going here. Exciting game. We're going to keep going. The lights come back on. They come back on. All right. Bottom 7, McNabb, Gutierrez, Tavarez. Buck McNabb. 10. It's going to be a double. So McNabb with the leadoff double. I might want to get some bullpen help up for Nevada here. We're going to get Greg Olson and Jesse English up. So here's Tony's Gutierrez. 7, struck him out. It's 1 down. Brown's 4th strikeout of the day. Tavarez, who he has not handled well. Tavarez, 2 home runs and a triple. 5, fly out to right. So 2 down, man on third for Krenchiki. 5-4. That's 3 outs. Okay, tight game, 5-4. Top of the 8th. We're going to leave Miller in. We're going to pitch him 1 more inning. Bartlett, Bell, Hoyles, right in the meat of the lineup. Can the Pistols hold on. Now that's not going to help. Home run by Jason Bartlett. Leadoff homer. And that's leadoff homer. That's going to be it for Miller. Miller goes 7 innings pitched, gives up 5. So Miller done for the day. We're going to bring in Brandon Webb. All right, tie ball game. Here's Albert Bell. 5-5. Struck him out. 1 out. Chris Hoyles. Struck him out. 2 down. Back-to-back strikeouts by Webb. It's just what the Pistols needed there after giving up the home run. 9, fly out to right field. Okay, Webb goes 1, 2, 3. So bottom 8, Cano, Gant, Caminetti. We're going to leave Brown in here too. He's done well against these hitters. Robbie Cano, bottom 8, 5-5. Ground ball to first. He's out. Ronnie Gant. Fly out to right. Caminetti. Ground ball to second. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Quick work of that. We go into the top of the 9th. All tied up, 5 apiece. We've got Burnitz, Ordonez, and Ramirez for the Lions. Here's Jeremy Burnitz. That is a fly out to right field. 1 down. Ray Ordonez. Fly out to right. 2 down. Aramis Ramirez. 11, home run. Oh man, what a backbreaker. Ramirez with the home run to put Nevada in the lead. Reggie Jefferson up 6-5 Nevada. And he's out. Okay. Down goes Brown. He's had 8 innings pitched, gave up 5. And we're going to bring in Billy Wagner, the closer. 6-5. So who do we have up? We have Posada, Bichette, and McNabb. We're going to go with that. Posada, Bichette, McNabb. Posada has not really played well this year, but I believe in old Jorge here. Come on, Birmingham. We need a run. 1 down. Ground ball to first. He's out. Dante Bichette. Nope. Fly out to right. 2 down. Man, this would be a tough loss for the Pistols. Buck McNabb struck him out. There it is. That's the game. 5-4 Nevada. Tightens everything up. Or 6-5 Nevada over the Pistols. Tightens everything up. MVP for Birmingham has to be Jesus Tavarez. 3 for 4, 2 home runs, 4 RBIs. Really the only Pistol that did much of anything. Brandon Webb gets the loss. He had 2 innings pitched. Gave up the 1 run. For Nevada, MVP can go to a lot of different places. I'll go with Chuck Knoblauch for the MVP. He had a home run and 2 RBIs. Kevin Brown gets the win. And Billy Wagner gets the save. So 6-5 Nevada. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Have a good one.